My sister Esra went missing on the 23rd of February 2011. Just a normal Wednesday morning. Her husband said that she was just going to the shop that morning to pick up a few bits because he was going to take the car to work that day. And he said she left the house about 7:15 to 7:20 the latest, but then was never seen again. You know, the Garda are convinced that, especially at the beginning, it must be suicide, sea, mountain, whatever, maybe she was upset. I find that hard to believe considering, I spoke to her only days before she went missing. She'd invited my mum over, all the plans she'd made herself. And then all of a sudden to disappear a day before my mum was due to arrive here to visit her for a month, that doesn't sound right to me at all. I don't believe that anyway.
The Gardaí haven't really had any kind of solid leads in this, but you've received information and a lot of false information from members of the public over the years.
Yeah, well, we have, and it's been sad because, I've been out to areas where they've said, oh, I've seen her here and I've seen her there. I've put posters up, but then again, the descriptions I'm giving are not of my sister really, but I try and follow, I follow up everything. I mean, I've flown over here for day visits because they've said, oh, she could be here. And, because it's hope. And it is sad that we get targeted sometimes with false hope. Yes, we want any lead, any shred of evidence, and I will follow up anything that's given to me. But please don't come with false information because that hurts more, because that builds our hopes up. And I come all this way and I go back again empty-handed, and it's not fair on us. As time goes by, I'm finding it harder and harder to believe that I'll actually find her alive. But you just never say never. Do you know, there's always a glimmer of hope.